Okay, so first step is to get this trim off. So you get your plastic trim removal tool, get it into the gap in between. There's a little bit of black plastic behind this, and flick that out. You've got that loose. There, just pull all the way up. There we go. Okay, so you can see there's some plastic and metal clips here. So you've got that loose and off. So in here there's 1, 2 screws. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver to get those undone. Make sure as you're removing your screws, keep those safe. That's that off. Okay, so just in your door handle here, just get a flat bladed screwdriver. Pop that little cover off. And it's another Phillips screw. And that's that one out. Okay, you can see here, we've just got one of these push pins. Let's get a trim clip removal tool, there you go. That's that out. Okay, so you should remove 1, 2, 3 screws, hot clip at the front, and then I understand this should pop off. Now you might want to use a tool to do that. You have to be quite firm and just pop those clips off, lift up, and then what have you got behind? Okay, so we'll just take you in and show you what we've got disconnect behind here. Okay, so first of all, behind here we've got your little puddle light. Let's see. We can get in and just pop that clip off. That's one. Okay, what else we got? Our locking mechanism. Okay, so back here you've just got your controls. So I'll show you once it's disconnected. It's just a block controller there, and you just push on the pin on the top, pull that out, so that's now that disconnected. Finally, we've got our door lock, so we'll take a look at that now. So on the back of the door locks there's 2 Phillips screws. Let's take those off. And that comes away with this bracket. And there you can see that's your door handle removed and your door card off. Okay, so the next step is to undo these 2 10mm bolts. So what we're going to have to do is remove this because the plastic block won't come up past it. So let's drop those off. Right, then behind here, so it's up to you how you want to lift this off, whether you want to tear it. There's a 12mm bolt, hopefully. Yep. So just here. So let's tilt that down a bit. You can see that there. That was quite tight. Right, let's get that out. So rather than punching holes, you could actually peel the seal back here. So I'm actually going to be replacing mine anyway because I'm having the whole door painted. Okay, so just watch you don't drop that in there. That's that off. Then what you want to do is there is a metal bar that comes all the way down, and this stud needs to go through the hole in the door so you can lift this glass out. Before you do that, up here, you just remove this plastic clip. Remove that weather strip so that stops the glass lifting up otherwise. Lift that up a little bit, then pull on the black metal bracket that's in here. That passes the door, and then this glass, what I'm told, should lift out. There you go. So twist that sideways, and out that glass comes. If you found the video useful, please hit the like button down below and subscribe for future content. Thank you very much, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video. So thread bits, and there's actually little holes on the bottom.